Hi, I'm Cole.
And I'm McKenna, and today we'll be learning about types of wetlands, plant life, animal life, benefits of wetlands, and wetland dangers.
Wetlands means land covered in shallow water. The water in a wetland can be fresh or salty. They are no deeper than 2 meters. Wetlands cover up 6% of the earth, not including oceans and seas. Antarctica is the only continent without wetlands.
There are 4 types of wetlands. 1, a bog. 2, a marsh, a swamp, and a vernal pool. A bog, the ground looks solid in it, but it's actually wet and spongy with grass growing on the water. A marsh is where grass and reeds grow. A swamp is where shrubs and trees grow. And a vernal pool is a wetland for only part of the year. That means that for half the year it's wet, and for half the year it's only a dry field.
Wetlands are created if bedrock below the soil prevents water from soaking in. Sometimes where lakes, rivers, or oceans meet land, there's a wetland.
Wetlands have more creatures than any other ecosystem on the earth. Mosquitoes live in all wetlands. They can even survive the traps of pitcher plants, which are carnivorous plants. Trumpeter swans and wood ducks make their homes in wetlands.
I'm going to be talking about plant life. Wetland plants are water lovers, in Greek, hydrophytes. The three types of plants that grow in wetlands are 1. The roots are in soil and the stalk grows out of the water into the air. 2. The whole plant floating underwater. There is no roots. 3. The roots floating, but part of the plant emerging out of water into the air. Plants and animals struggle to live in bogs because the soil is so acidic. They decompose in it and get squished up together, and that makes peat moss. Peat moss is very good for gardens because it has lots of water and oxygen.
Beavers build dams and rivers, and sometimes large areas of land are flooded, which can become wetlands. Other creatures then move in. Spiders and some insects can even create a bubble of air around their body to breathe underwater while swimming.
Carnivorous plants grow the best in bogs. They eat insects instead of needing nutrients from the soil.
Wetlands clean dirty water because the plants filter the water. Wetlands give animals 1. Camouflage, 2. Food, 3. Homes, and 4. Nesting places for their young, and 5. Resting places during and after migration. People can grow and gather these from wetlands: rice, cranberries, trout, and pink shrimp.
I'm going to be talking about wetland dangers now. Wetlands can filter some pollution, but not all. Too much pollution causes contamination of animals' drinking water and food, so animals die or move away. People destroy and drain wetlands to build houses.
Peat moss is created in wetlands, and it is helpful for fertilizing gardens. Houses get protection from floods as wetlands absorb the rising rivers and too much rain. Strong waves lose power when they hit wetlands, so homes are protected near the ocean wetlands.
That's all for today.